Here's where they stopping us at, right here at Winn-Dixie. 341. Look at all the stuff loaded up over there, Sean. Got the buses. Those lights. I guess they're fixing lights now. Larry. Parker's is closed. I've seen that with Sean's fuzzy hair. I got the popo out here. People can't get through downtown. Let's turn on Crispin. Got the power man, line man out there doing a good job. Good job, everybody. I see too much damage as far as trees. Just a few on the way here. Got families lined up on the side of the road. I guess they're waiting to get in. So if you live past Winn-Dixie on 341, you're probably not going to get in right away. Unless you take a back road, maybe. And we got some damaged trees here. Looks like some stuff fell. A lot of water. Backed up probably from the creeks and stuff. Crispin looks pretty good. Almost home. Hallelujah. Yeah, they're detouring traffic this way, I think, down Crispin and go around. Oh, what's that? Mason's got some down trees in his yard. Limbs, not trees. Goodness, look at the road. We've got limbs everywhere. Woo-wee. That's what it's like living up underneath these oak trees. It's a mess. It's like coming over on a battlefield. Surprised their place is still standing. And he was somebody. Yeah, here it is. He's got a down tree in his yard on top of his house. Poor man. Wait, what's your head, Sean? Yeah, he's got a big old tree in his yard. Dang. Did it mess up his house? Did it bust through it or no?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Tell too much. Ginger, we know we're home.
The window's open, huh?
It's got a lot of branches and limbs everywhere.
Yeah, a lot of branches and stuff.
We're almost to the house, y'all. Seen the Walden sitting out here on the swing. Oh, well, they got any damage. That's good. Paul's place looks pretty good.
They ain't even got no tree.
Huh?
They ain't even got no tree.
Uh-oh, their ladder almost fell. I'm gonna ride over here to Paul's real quick. Video. All the bees are gone. Trampoline's still standing. It's a miracle. Ooh, it's like a water. Man, listen to that water underneath the car.
Yeah.
Paul's got him a pond out here. Everything looks good, Pauline. You got some yard work to do when you get back, looks like. Try to get turned around and go home now. Home, sweet home. Wonder if the mail came today. We should check the mailbox.
Here, I'll check it.
Oh Lord, I'm scared to look in my yard, see what Sean's got to clean up. Oh, our fence moved maybe 4 inches. Let's see what's going on. The house is still standing. 80-year-old house. We got to walk. We got to drive around, Sean, first to see. Oh, we got water backed up back here. That's not good. We got water in the backyard.
Where'd the couch cushion go?
I can't see nothing.
Where'd the couch cushion go?
I don't know.